Let's talk about starting your own business. There are many things you need to consider before you go into business for yourself. Let me explain why do-it-yourself websites and non-attorney advisors will put you at risk. There's no substitute for a knowledgeable and experienced business attorney during this process. According to a study by the U.S. Small Business Association, only 2/3 of all small business startups survive the first 2 years, and less than half make it to 4 years. Other studies show that only about 1/3 of businesses ever make a profit, while 1/3 break even and 1/3 lose money. Why do so many businesses fail? In my experience, I've found that most people don't realize that when they go into business for themselves, they're taking on the responsibility of dealing with the government and the laws at 3 levels: local, state, and federal. In addition to whatever your business is, as the business owner, you will need to know and follow state and federal laws concerning licensing, accounting rules, tax collecting and depositing procedures, employment laws, insurance, and worker safety, just to name a few. Let's talk now about the 3 levels of government law involved. Every business is subject to federal tax laws. There are at least 4 ways that a for-profit business could be taxed depending on how you choose to structure your business. This is where I help people. These 4 ways are C corporations, S corporations, partnerships, and direct individual taxation as a sole proprietorship. There are major differences between how the tax code applies to these forms of business. I can help you decide which one is right for you. Other common federal laws include wage and hour laws, such as minimum wage, worker eligibility, and discrimination laws. State law provides the rules that govern business entities such as corporations, limited liability companies, partnerships, and trusts. State law rules govern wage and hour laws, minimum wage, discrimination, workers' compensation, and unemployment. There is also state income tax, excise tax, and property taxes. State law governs the licensing of professionals, contractors, alcohol and tobacco sales, and many other industries. Local law includes county and city ordinances which govern land use, permits, business licensing, and even income tax in cities like Portland. Unfortunately, some Oregon cities and counties are not very pro-business. Taxes can be higher than elsewhere, and the permitting process can be expensive and difficult. With my experience, I can help you understand what local government issues you might encounter and decide where you are most likely to experience a smooth startup. Let's talk about how competition and other market factors affect your business. Besides dealing with government and its regulations and agencies, there's also competition and other market factors you need to think about. To become a successful business owner, you need the assistance of a skilled business attorney to deal with things like contract matters, protecting your intellectual property and avoiding infringing on others' property rights, dealing with banks and financing issues, dealing with partners, investors, and leasing issues. Many a successful business has collapsed under the weight of penalties and tax debts, private lawsuits, employee lawsuits, and legal disputes among owners. I can help your business reduce or eliminate these risks in several ways. I provide education and training to my clients. I provide proper legal documents. I provide professional tax advice. Most of all, the experience I've gained over 12 years as an Oregon business lawyer is what helps my clients succeed. So before you start or purchase a new business, a franchise, or sign a contract or a lease, come see me and let me put my skills and experience to work for you. I'm Ben Knaupp, the lawyer who calls you back.